Thirikari ya gatatu ria murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini riukite na kihuhukanio kinene gikiro kia utambia wa murimu uyu ikirugamira gicunjĩ kia 22 harĩ igana giki ari gikiro kia iguru muno kiria bururi wandikithitie mwaka uyu. Kenya ni niuritio gwithaitira kuumana na kunyitwo ni murimu wa COVID-19 makiria muno aikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi amu mathibitari kaunti-ini nimaihurite. Umuthi kaunti ya Nairobi ikiandikithia arwaru 730 hari arwaru othe 1130 namba ya arwaru guku bururi-ini hari arwaru 1,124.
There is widespread the virus is widespread in the county of Nairobi, especially in the county of Nairobi. And clearly, we have to think about what can be done to ensure that this does not continue to be the case in other countries. Nairobi is stretched. Machakos, because of the situation, the relationship between Nairobi and Machakos, you can see again why Machakos would be stretched. There is quite a number also in Kiambu, even though Kiambu is not yet overrun.
Thibitari ciothe ni ciuritio gukorwo ikiandikithagia ikuo ciothe na ihenya ta uria kwahoteka niguo gutigirira ministry ri na ithabu riria riagiriire makiria muno kuumana na ikuo iria ciumanite na murimu wa COVID-19. Umuthi andu 12 nio makuite na gukinyaniria namba ya aria othe makuite ari 2,023.
And I would like to appeal to all our institutions, our hospitals, our GAO, for those persons who are dying at homes. We would like to get the reports of any deaths happening around the country with immediate effect, not more than 12 hours from when the death occurs. We must get that report in order for us to inform Kenyans and be up to date.
Uheani wa njanjo guku bururi-ini uri kiumia-ini gia gatatu kuria gukinyaniria na riu andu makiria ma 40,000 nio mamukirite njanjo ya murimu wa COVID-19 guku ministry githie na mbere na guteterithia mundu no anyitwo ni murimu uyu wa COVID-19 ona thutha wa kwamukira njanjo ya murimu uyu amu ni roya ihinda gukorwo ikiororohia mororo ma murimu uyu.
Vaccination is not immediate protection. It is not. In fact, with the AstraZeneca vaccine, once you are injected, the immune response comes after 3 weeks. The full protection comes after the second dose, and it also takes 3 weeks to confer you. So you are talking of 14 weeks. So basically you are talking of 3 months before you get full protection.
Namba ya arwaru aria mari mathibitari-ini irugameire arwaru 1,013, arwaru 3,003 makirigitirwo micii-ini guku arwaru 120 mari ICU. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Thirikari wa njira wa boro.